The sun sets over the African plains. Darkness falls. This is when the Aardwolf awakens. This shy creature is a master of the night. Its name, Aardwolf, means earth wolf in Afrikaans. But it's not really a wolf at all. It is a unique and fascinating animal. Aardwolves live in the grasslands and savannas of eastern and southern Africa. They prefer areas with sandy soil and short grass. This makes it easier for them to find their favorite food. Aardwolves are not picky about their homes. They will make burrows in termite mounds or abandoned burrows of other animals. They are rarely seen during the day. They spend their days sleeping in the cool, dark underground. When the sun sets, they emerge to hunt. The night is their time to shine. The Aardwolf is a fascinating creature with many secrets. Let's learn more about this shy and unusual animal. The Aardwolf is about the size of a fox. It has a distinctive appearance. Its coat is a pale yellow-grey colour with vertical black stripes. These stripes help to camouflage the Aardwolf in the tall grass. Aardwolves have long legs and a sloping back. Their tails are bushy and black-tipped. Perhaps the most striking feature of the Aardwolf is its mane. This mane runs along its back from its head to its tail. When threatened, the Aardwolf raises its mane to make itself look bigger and more intimidating. Aardwolves have a long, sticky tongue. This is perfect for lapping up their favorite food, termites. They also have sharp claws on their front feet. These are useful for digging into termite mounds. The Aardwolf may look like a fierce predator, but looks can be deceiving. Aardwolves are insectivores. This means that they primarily eat insects. Their diet consists almost entirely of termites. They have a special fondness for a type of termite called trinerviterm. These termites are active on the surface at night. An aardwolf can eat up to 50,000 termites in a single night. That's a lot of termites. They locate their prey using their keen sense of hearing and smell. They are not built for speed or chasing. Instead, they rely on their stealth and patience to catch their tiny prey. Aardwolves sometimes eat other insects too. They will occasionally snack on ants, beetles, and other small insects, but termites are their absolute favorite. As darkness descends, the Aardwolf emerges from its den. It is time to hunt. The Aardwolf walks slowly and quietly through the grass. It listens carefully for the sound of termites. Its large ears can pick up the faintest sounds. When it finds a termite mound, the Aardwolf gets to work. It uses its strong claws to scratch at the mound, then it sticks out its long, sticky tongue. The termites get trapped on the sticky saliva. The Aardwolf laps them up with gusto. Aardwolves have a special relationship with termites. They don't destroy the termite mounds. They only eat a small portion of the colony. This ensures that there will be plenty of termites to eat in the future. Aardwolves have a large home range. They may travel several miles in a single night in search of food. They are solitary hunters, preferring to forage alone. Their hunting strategy is a testament to their specialized diet and adaptations. Section 5. A life-shared Aardwolf social behavior. Aardwolves are mostly solitary creatures. They spend most of their time alone, except during mating season. However, they are not entirely antisocial. Aardwolves are monogamous animals. This means that they mate for life. A mated pair will share a territory. They will defend their territory from other aardwolves. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds. These sounds include barks, grunts, and hisses. They also use scent marking to communicate with other aardwolves. Not aggressive animals. They will only fight if they feel threatened. If they encounter a predator, they will try to escape. If they are cornered, they will raise their mane and try to look intimidating. Solitude, their social interactions are essential for their survival and the continuation of their lineage. Section 6. Family ties raising aardwolf cubs. Mating season for aardwolves varies depending on their location. In southern Africa, they typically mate between June and August. After a gestation period of about 90 days, the female gives birth to a litter of 2 to 4 cubs. The cubs are born blind and helpless. They rely on their mother for food and protection. The male aardwolf also helps to raise the cubs. He brings food to the mother and helps to guard the den. The cubs grow quickly. They are weaned at about 4 months old. They will stay with their parents for several months, learning how to hunt and survive. By the time they're a year old, they are ready to strike out on their own. Aardwolf families demonstrate a strong bond, ensuring the survival of their young in the harsh African wilderness. Section 7. Threats to aardwolves, a closer look. Aardwolves face a number of threats. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss. As humans encroach on their territory, aardwolves are losing their homes. This is due to agriculture, mining, and human settlements. Another threat to aardwolves is persecution. They are sometimes killed by farmers who mistakenly believe that they prey on livestock. Aardwolves are also sometimes killed in road accidents. In some areas, they are hunted for their fur. Climate change is also a threat to aardwolves. Changes in rainfall patterns can affect the availability of termites. This can lead to food shortages for aardwolves. Although they face many challenges, there is hope for the future of aardwolves. Section 8. Guardians of the Night, Aardwolf Conservation. Thankfully, there are efforts underway to conserve aardwolves. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, lists aardwolves as a species of least concern. However, their populations are declining in some areas. Conservation efforts include protecting aardwolf habitat. This can be done by creating national parks and reserves. It is also important to educate people about aardwolves. This can help to reduce the number of aardwolves that are killed out of fear or ignorance. Researchers are also studying aardwolves to learn more about their ecology and behavior. This information can be used to develop more effective conservation strategies. By working together, we can help to ensure that aardwolves continue to thrive in the wild. Section 9. Conclusion. Ensuring the aardwolf's future. The aardwolf is a fascinating and unique creature. It is a master of its environment. Its specialized diet and nocturnal habits make it a truly remarkable animal. It plays an important role in its ecosystem by helping to control termite populations. As we have learned, aardwolves face a number of threats. However, there is hope for their future. By working to conserve their habitat, reduce human-wildlife conflict, and educate others about their importance, we can help to ensure that these shy and unusual creatures continue to thrive in the wild for generations to come. The aardwolf, a silent guardian of the night, deserves our respect and protection. Section 10. The aardwolf's habitat. The aardwolf's remarkable journey begins with the diverse environments it calls home. From the vast savannas to the sprawling grasslands of eastern and southern Africa, these landscapes provide the perfect backdrop for the aardwolf's nocturnal life. In the savannas, aardwolves navigate through tall grasses and scattered trees, using their keen sense of smell to locate termite mounds. The open terrain allows them to spot potential threats from afar, while the scattered vegetation offers ample hiding spots. In the grasslands, aardwolves benefit from the dense cover and abundant termite populations. Here, their slender bodies and nimble movements allow them to weave through the thick grasses, making them efficient hunters in this environment. One of the most unique adaptations of the aardwolf is its ability to digest the tough exoskeletons of termites, thanks to specialized enzymes in their stomachs. This dietary specialization allows them to thrive in habitats where other predators might struggle to find food. Moreover, the aardwolf's nocturnal habits help it avoid the heat of the day and reduce competition with other predators. Their large ears and sharp hearing enable them to detect the faintest sounds of termites, guiding them to their next meal even in complete darkness. By understanding the habitats of aardwolves, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate balance of nature and the incredible adaptations that allow these creatures to survive. As we continue to work towards conserving these environments, we ensure that the aardwolf can continue to play its vital role in the ecosystem. The aardwolf, a true marvel of adaptation and survival, thrives in the heart of Africa's diverse landscapes, reminding us of the importance of preserving these natural wonders. As resilient as aardwolves are, they are not without their challenges. In the wild, these nocturnal creatures must stay vigilant against a range of natural predators. Lions, leopards, and hyenas pose significant threats to aardwolves, especially to the young cubs. Their keen senses and nocturnal habits provide some protection, but the risk remains ever present. Beyond natural predators, the aardwolf faces increasing threats from human activities. Habitat destruction due to agricultural expansion and urbanization is one of the most pressing issues. As their natural habitats shrink, aardwolves are forced into closer proximity with humans, leading to increased road accidents and conflicts with farmers. Poisoning and trapping, often unintended consequences of pest control measures, also pose significant risks. Aardwolves, mistaken for pests or predators of livestock, sometimes fall victim to these harmful practices. Additionally, climate change is altering the ecosystems they depend on, further complicating their survival. However, there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the aardwolf and its habitat. Wildlife reserves and protected areas play a crucial role in providing safe havens for these unique creatures. Education and awareness campaigns are helping local communities understand the importance of aardwolves in the ecosystem, fostering coexistence. By supporting these conservation initiatives, we can help ensure a future where aardwolves continue to thrive in their natural habitats. Together we can make a difference, preserving the delicate balance of nature and safeguarding the aardwolf for generations to come. Aardwolves, though often solitary, have developed a fascinating array of communication methods to interact with one another. These nocturnal creatures use vocalizations, scent marking, and body language to convey messages vital for their survival and social interactions. Vocalizations play a significant role in aardwolf communication. They produce a variety of sounds, including growls, yips, and clicks, each serving a specific purpose. Growls may be used to ward off potential threats or competitors, while yips and clicks can signal distress or alert others to danger. Scent marking is another crucial form of communication for aardwolves. They possess specialized scent glands near their tails, which they use to mark their territory. By rubbing these glands against objects like rocks and plants, they leave behind a unique scent that serves as a boundary marker, warning other aardwolves to stay away. This behavior helps minimize conflicts and maintain social order within their habitat. Body language is also an important aspect of aardwolf communication. Subtle movements, such as ear positioning, tail flicking, and body posture, can convey a wide range of emotions and intentions. For instance, an aardwolf might raise its hackles to appear larger and more intimidating when confronted by a potential threat, or it might lower its body and flick its tail to signal submission to a dominant individual. These intricate communication methods enable aardwolves to navigate their complex social environment, ensuring their survival and fostering cooperation among individuals. By understanding and appreciating these behaviors, we gain a deeper insight into the lives of these remarkable creatures and the delicate balance they maintain in their ecosystems. In the face of mounting threats, preserving the natural communication networks of aardwolves is essential. By protecting their habitats and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that these unique animals continue to thrive, communicating and coexisting in the wild for generations to come. Throughout history, aardwolves have captured the imagination of various cultures, leading to a rich tapestry of myths and legends. These stories not only reflect the mysterious nature of these nocturnal creatures, but also shape how they are perceived in different societies. In some African cultures, aardwolves are seen as mystical beings with the power to ward off evil spirits. Local folklore often portrays them as guardians of the night, silently patrolling the darkness to keep malevolent forces at bay. This belief has earned them a revered status, and they are often viewed with a sense of awe and respect. In contrast, other tales depict aardwolves as tricksters, using their cunning and stealth to outwit predators and humans alike. These stories highlight their intelligence and adaptability, painting them as clever survivors in a harsh environment. Such legends have contributed to a perception of aardwolves as shrewd and resourceful animals, capable of navigating the challenges of their world with ease. Interestingly, some myths suggest that aardwolves possess the ability to shapeshift or become invisible, adding an element of supernatural intrigue to their already enigmatic presence. These tales often serve as cautionary stories, warning people to be wary of the unseen and the unknown lurking in the night. The influence of these myths extends beyond mere storytelling. They have shaped human attitudes towards aardwolves, affecting how they are treated and protected. In regions where they are considered sacred, efforts to conserve their habitats are often stronger, driven by a cultural appreciation for their perceived mystical abilities. By exploring these fascinating myths and legends, we gain a deeper understanding of the cultural significance of aardwolves and the ways in which human imagination can elevate the natural world to a realm of wonder and myth. As we continue to learn about and protect these remarkable creatures, we honor not only their biological importance but also the rich cultural heritage they inspire. As we delve deeper into the world of aardwolves, it's essential to recognize the significant strides made by recent research in understanding these enigmatic creatures. Scientists across the globe have been conducting various studies, including tracking and behavioral research, to uncover the secrets of the aardwolf's life. One of the most groundbreaking studies involves the use of GPS collars to track the movements of aardwolves in their natural habitats. This technology has provided invaluable data on their nocturnal activities, territorial ranges, and interactions with other species. By mapping their movements, researchers have gained insights into the aardwolf's foraging patterns and habitat preferences, which are crucial for conservation efforts. Behavioral studies have also shed light on the social dynamics of aardwolf populations. Through meticulous observation and recording, scientists have discovered fascinating aspects of aardwolf behavior, such as their complex communication methods and the way they establish and defend their territories. These studies highlight the importance of understanding the social structures of aardwolves to ensure their continued survival. Furthermore, research on the aardwolf's diet has revealed its reliance on termites, which play a pivotal role in maintaining the ecological balance. By studying their feeding habits, scientists can better assess the health of termite populations and, by extension, the overall health of the ecosystem. This interconnectedness underscores the importance of preserving not just aardwolves, but the entire web of life they're a part of. The importance of scientific research in understanding and conserving aardwolves cannot be overstated. It provides the foundation for informed conservation strategies, ensuring that efforts to protect these unique animals are based on solid evidence. Additionally, research helps raise awareness about the aardwolf's plight, garnering support from the public and policymakers alike. As we continue to explore and study the aardwolf, we not only deepen our understanding of this remarkable species, but also strengthen our commitment to its conservation. By supporting scientific research, we pave the way for a future where aardwolves can thrive in their natural habitats, free from the threats that endanger their existence. In celebrating the advancements in aardwolf research, we acknowledge the dedication of scientists and conservationists who work tirelessly to unravel the mysteries of these nocturnal wanderers. Their efforts remind us of the profound impact that knowledge and understanding can have in preserving the wonders of our natural world. The aardwolf, often referred to as the ecosystem engineer, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of its habitat. One of the most remarkable aspects of the aardwolf's ecological impact is its relationship with termites. Feeding almost exclusively on these insects, aardwolves help regulate termite populations, preventing them from becoming overly abundant and causing damage to vegetation. But the aardwolf's influence extends beyond just termite control. By consuming large quantities of termites, aardwolves indirectly contribute to soil health. Termites are known to aerate the soil as they build their intricate tunnels and mounds. When aardwolves disrupt these structures during feeding, they further enhance soil aeration and nutrient cycling. This process promotes the growth of healthy vegetation, which in turn supports a diverse array of other wildlife. This interconnectedness highlights the importance of aardwolves within their ecosystem. They are not only predators but also key players in maintaining the ecological balance. By ensuring healthy termite populations and contributing to soil fertility, aardwolves support a thriving habitat for numerous plant and animal species. Furthermore, the presence of aardwolves can be an indicator of a healthy ecosystem. Their survival depends on the availability of ample termite colonies, which are themselves dependent on a balanced environment. Thus, the health of aardwolf populations can reflect the overall well-being of their habitat. Understanding the role of aardwolves in their ecosystem underscores the importance of their conservation. Protecting these nocturnal wanderers means preserving the intricate web of life they are a part of. It reminds us that every species, no matter how small or specialized, has a vital role to play in the grand tapestry of nature. In recognizing the aardwolf's ecological significance, we are reminded of the profound interconnectedness of all species. By safeguarding aardwolves, we contribute to the health and resilience of their entire habitat, ensuring that the wonders of our natural world continue to thrive for generations to come. Aardwolf adaptations detail the physical and behavioral adaptations that make aardwolves unique, such as their specialized teeth and nocturnal habits. The aardwolf, a fascinating member of the hyena family, boasts a range of unique adaptations that enable it to thrive in its environment. One of the most striking physical adaptations is its specialized teeth. Unlike its hyena relatives, the aardwolf's teeth are not built for crushing bones. Instead, it has evolved to have reduced, peg-like molars perfectly suited for its insectivorous diet. These teeth allow the aardwolf to efficiently lap up termites, consuming thousands in a single night. Another remarkable adaptation is its nocturnal nature. The aardwolf's large, sensitive ears are finely tuned to detect the faint sounds of termites and other insects in the dark. This nocturnal lifestyle not only helps the aardwolf avoid the heat of the day, but also reduces competition with other predators. Additionally, the aardwolf has a keen sense of smell, which it uses to locate termite mounds and navigate its territory. Its long, sticky tongue is another specialized tool, allowing it to extract termites from deep within their tunnels. Behaviorally, aardwolves are solitary or live in small family groups, which minimizes competition for food resources. Their territories are marked with scent markings to ward off intruders, ensuring that each aardwolf has access to sufficient feeding grounds. These physical and behavioral adaptations highlight the aardwolf's unique niche in the ecosystem. By understanding these traits, we gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible ways in which nature equips each species for survival. In recognizing the aardwolf's specialized adaptations, we're reminded of the intricate and often astonishing ways in which life evolves to meet the challenges of its environment. Every feature of the aardwolf, from its teeth to its nocturnal habits, tells a story of survival and adaptation in the wild. While the aardwolf may not be as famous as other wildlife icons, it has made its mark in popular culture, subtly influencing public awareness and even conservation efforts. In literature, the aardwolf is often depicted as a symbol of mystery and resilience. Various children's books and wildlife encyclopedias feature the aardwolf to introduce young readers to lesser-known animals, fostering a sense of curiosity and appreciation for biodiversity from an early age. Artistic representations of aardwolves are equally captivating. From detailed illustrations in nature journals to abstract interpretations in modern art, the aardwolf's distinct features, such as its striped fur and large ears, inspire artists to capture its unique beauty. These artistic endeavors not only celebrate the aardwolf, but also draw attention to the importance of preserving its natural habitat. In the realm of media, the aardwolf occasionally appears in wildlife documentaries, shedding light on its nocturnal lifestyle and specialized diet. These documentaries play a crucial role in educating the public about the aardwolf's ecological importance and the threats it faces. By featuring the aardwolf alongside more well-known species, these programs help to elevate its profile and garner support for its conservation. Social media also plays a part in spreading awareness about the aardwolf. Wildlife photographers and conservationists frequently share captivating images and videos of aardwolves, reaching a global audience and sparking conversations about their conservation status. Ultimately, the portrayal of aardwolves in popular culture serves as a bridge between this elusive creature and the public. By highlighting the aardwolf in various forms of media, literature and art, we can foster a greater understanding and appreciation for this remarkable animal. This in turn can drive conservation efforts, ensuring that the aardwolf continues to thrive in the wild. As we continue to explore the aardwolf's place in our world, we are reminded of the power of storytelling and creativity in shaping our perceptions of the natural world. Through these cultural representations, the aardwolf's story is shared, celebrated, and preserved for future generations. Narrator. As we journey through the world of the aardwolf, it's essential to recognize the incredible efforts being made to ensure its survival. Across the globe, dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect these fascinating creatures and their habitats. Today, we share some inspiring aardwolf conservation success stories. Narrator. In Namibia, the Aardwolf Conservation Project has made significant strides. This initiative focuses on habitat restoration and community education, fostering a harmonious relationship between local farmers and aardwolves. By promoting sustainable farming practices and reducing human-wildlife conflict, the project has seen a notable increase in aardwolf populations. Narrator. Farmers have reported fewer issues with aardwolves and have become advocates for their protection. This collaborative effort has not only benefited the aardwolves, but also strengthened community bonds and enhanced agricultural productivity. Narrator. In South Africa, the Aardwolf Research and Conservation Program is at the forefront of scientific discovery. This team of researchers conducts extensive field studies to understand aardwolf behavior, diet, and habitat needs. Their findings have been instrumental in shaping effective conservation strategies. Narrator. Through their work, they've developed innovative methods to monitor aardwolf populations and identify critical habitats. These insights have led to the establishment of protected areas, ensuring safe havens for aardwolves to thrive. Narrator. Beyond the field, global awareness campaigns play a crucial role in aardwolf conservation. Organizations like the Wildlife Conservation Network have launched initiatives to raise funds and awareness for aardwolf protection. Through social media, educational programs, and partnerships with other wildlife organizations, they have successfully garnered international support. Narrator. These campaigns have not only provided essential resources for conservation efforts, but also inspired a new generation of wildlife enthusiasts and advocates. Narrator. The success of these conservation projects is a testament to the power of collaboration, research, and community engagement. By sharing these stories, we hope to inspire continued support for aardwolf conservation. Together, we can ensure that the aardwolf remains a thriving part of our natural world. Narrator. Every action counts. Let's make a difference. Narrator. As we look towards the future, the fate of the aardwolf hangs in a delicate balance. In a world grappling with the effects of climate change and habitat loss, the challenges for aardwolf conservation are immense, yet not insurmountable. Cut to visuals of changing landscapes and climate effects. Narrator. Climate change poses a significant threat to the aardwolf's habitat. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns can disrupt the delicate ecosystems on which they depend. Grasslands, their primary habitat, are particularly vulnerable to these changes. As these environments transform, aardwolves may struggle to find the resources they need to survive. Cut to visuals of community conservation efforts and scientific research. Narrator. However, with challenges come opportunities. Conservationists are pioneering new strategies to safeguard aardwolf populations. By utilizing advanced technologies such as satellite tracking and genetic research, scientists are gaining unprecedented insights into aardwolf behavior and habitat requirements. These innovations are critical in developing adaptive management plans that can respond to the rapidly changing environment. Cut to visuals of community education programs and sustainable practices. Narrator. Community involvement remains a cornerstone of successful conservation. Educating local populations about sustainable practices and the importance of biodiversity can foster a sense of stewardship. Programs that incentivize conservation-friendly land use can help preserve critical habitats while also supporting local economies. Cut to visuals of international collaborations and conservation campaigns. Narrator. Global collaboration is more important than ever. International conservation organizations must continue to work together, sharing knowledge and resources to amplify their impact. Through coordinated efforts, we can create a network of protected areas that offer safe havens for aardwolves and other at-risk species. Cut to visuals of a thriving aardwolf in its natural habitat. Narrator. The future of the aardwolf is not solely in the hands of scientists and conservationists. Every individual can contribute by supporting conservation initiatives, advocating for sustainable practices, and raising awareness about the importance of preserving our natural world. Cut to hopeful visuals of people engaging in conservation activities. Narrator. The path ahead is challenging, but with continued dedication and innovation, we can ensure that the aardwolf remains a resilient and thriving part of our planet's biodiversity. Together, we have the power to shape a future where aardwolves and humans coexist in harmony. Cut to closing visuals of a sunset over a grassland. Narrator. The future of the aardwolf is a story yet to be written. Let's ensure it's a story of hope, resilience, and a commitment to our shared natural heritage.